Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two, and I wish I would have just added to the first video. Um, if you want, if this, somebody sent me this logo, and if this is the true color, and let's say he's doing t-shirts, and I don't ever get to hardly ever use this tool, then I'm going to show you because I'm a laser engraver, but we don't have any color here, but we want to match that color. And in the previous video, I got pretty close, but who knows it's dead on, and if that's what he wants, right here under your eyedropper tool, color eyedropper, just go over that color. See it's green 121, blue 255. Click on it and then move it over here and fill it in. And then your good crisp logo is the exact same color as your other logo. Now laser engravers can use this for if you make a certain shade of gray. Let's just do that real quick in something that worked. Let's say you had that and you want it a little bit lighter. Hold down the control button, hit a few areas of white. So it's getting a little whiter all the time by holding down the control button. And just to prove that it's a color, let's fill that in with yellow. Go up to a range, order back a page, and you can see, well, you can't really see if it's different than the page color. Let's make it a little bit grayer by holding down the control button and go hitting black one time. So let's say it's in between there, and you found out that worked on engraving on an item. You can do the same thing with the color tool. Just grab that gray and then pour it in that spot, and then these two grays are identical. Anyway, I truly hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.